Hey guys, Tony here from GoWithJeeves.com. If you haven't seen my other video on learn how to become an affiliate in under 60 seconds, then you can go and check that out just after this video. But for now, let me show you how you can dabble into the affiliate marketing game by selling products to your friends and your family. So if you find this video of some value, then please subscribe by hitting that subscribe button below and give this video a like. If you want to be notified of all future videos that I release, then click the bell icon to be notified of all future videos. So let's just jump straight into that video. So firstly, you need to go to Amazon.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Click where it says become an affiliate and then sign up. This is free, by the way. Once you've signed up, go and sign into your account. Go to the product linking and hold your mouse over and select product link. In the search bar, type in a product that you know about or that you've used before and you think that people will buy, and then tap go. Scroll down until you find your desired product and click the down arrow next to Get Link. Click Shorten Link and then copy that link. You can now create a post on your social media sites describing the product and how great it is. If people click your link and they buy it, you then get paid a commission. It's that simple. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then go over to my website at www.gowithjeeves.com, scroll down to the yellow button and click that yellow button. Watch the short video and then sign up to this fantastic 15-day training course where you will be shown all the ins and outs on how to create content, how to market that content and how to get traffic to your website. And you get all of this for just $7. So thank you for watching, and if you found this content of value, give this video a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button below. If you'd like to be notified of all future videos, you can also tap that bell icon and you'll be notified of all the new videos that I upload. So for now, I will see you on the next video.